Julene, you wanna help? Ate Dong's gonna give you money. Ano, buksan?
Yeah.
Huwag mo na buksan, ganyan na lang. Eh, ano kaya yun?
Magkalat.
Okay? Hindi, alisin mo na lang ah.
Alisin ko na?
Say please. Ay, dinoble mo, Dong? Tinape mo? Oh, charot. Pati yung mother. Oh, ah. No, not yet. That's for church tomorrow. Don't open it. The candy. She wanna open it. I said tomorrow.
Open ko, bebe?
No. Dad, can you get that one? No, not tonight. No.
Open?
Wala, open mo man lang. Julene, you wanna open it now? Help Grandma. Yeah. Please, thank you. Hello, Aisa. Whoa. Okay, Jade, can you open, please? Thank you.
There we go.
That's for tomorrow, Jelana. You cannot eat that one. No. Dad is watching. Dad is gonna confiscate that. Okay, thank you.
Do you have scissors?
Grandma had the scissors, anak.
Julie has the scissors.
You might twist. The twist off will become.
Julie, they're not. They are.
Ikaw na bahala.
Rubber bands. You want to break your doll's hair?
It's hard.
Grandma, can I use it after you?
Yes, after.
Please.
Impatience, yes, please.
Por favor.
Por favor.
Okay, Mom, now you just made it sound nice.
Por favor.
Por favor. I mean, please.
Ang galing naman niya maglagay ah. Na siya ng taga-assistant mo.
Can I have the scissors, please?
Teka muna.
Por favor.
Patient. Oh! Julene, look! Look, Julene!
Photobomb.
Look! Whoa!
Thank you.
Whoa! Whoa!
Tita, Ate Dawn!
Thank you.
Whoa!
Who's that for?
Titi!
Eh,
Who's that for?
Tito dapat dito.
How do you split that? How do you split that? Split. How much money? 33. How much money was it?
99.99 divided by 3.
I'm thinking $5 for each, and then 85 for me.
Oh, wow.
There's your dolly.
Oh, wow. Thank you. God bless.
Here you go, Joanna. Done. To you. Who wants
Say thank you, Grandma. Did you guys say thank you, Grandma? Tapos siya naman. Hug Grandma now, guys.
I love you so much.
Eh, ba't ganyan ang hug? Ba't ganyan ang hug? Ha? Hello? Love you in Portuguese? Mi amor.
Mi amor.
Yeah. They're the same.
No, they aren't.
Yeah.
Because por favor is please in Spanish, and I'm guessing Filipino, and Portuguese. Did you know?
Okay, you can have the scissors now, anak. Grandma is done with...
I already got out the door.
Gilana, see, let me see here. Is your friend. Put it here, Gilana. So I'll see you. Can you put it here? Gilana, put it here.
Here comes Santa.
Gilana, can you put your toy here?